Hello everyone, my name is Paige and I am an Inspiring Skills Ambassador. I studied at Gower College, Swansea, and I've competed in many competitions for my skill, which is Advanced Restaurant Services. Why did I want to become an ambassador? Well, I wanted to become an ambassador to help those who need support, whether that was telling my own story or even help guiding so that they can achieve their goals. I sometimes lack confidence in myself, and I know that there are many out there just like me in this aspect, and that's what motivated me to become an Inspiring Skills Ambassador, as many would have shied away from this opportunity. And I had a lot of friends and family members support me to say that I should give this a go, as they think I would be a good ambassador, as well as me learning from the experience. Whilst I've been working with the Inspiring Skills team, they have provided us with a lot of support, which includes group and one-to-one support sessions, as well as the team building sessions. So they've provided us with these sessions so that it can help build our skills as well as our confidence. I feel as if I will gain a lot from this experience. And when I say that I will gain a lot from this experience, I see as there is always room for improvement, and even though I am a little bit more confident in myself, I think that through this opportunity and with the support provided, I feel like it will be helpful in many ways and even prepare me for my future. I've already completed a couple of tasks for the project, which includes an inspirational blog to encourage competitors to compete in skills competition Wales. And I have also assisted in creating a masterclass video for learners within the restaurant services for table laying. So I may not be able to help with other skills areas specifically, but with my experience in competitions, I am sure I can help with any pre-competition guidance or support if any competitor needed it. So with my knowledge and by being an ambassador, I really do look forward to knowing that my help can make a difference. It doesn't matter if it's a little or a lot, but it's just as long as the ones I've helped can achieve their goals.